Please call lamborghini.
Is geometry here confirmed the aircraft derivation is expected?
Yes, and the whole thing is surprisingly consistent given the submersion.
"63 meters down. The diver's torch catches something impossible in the dark. The archaeologist studies the sonar printout, her skepticism slowly turning to wonder. On the research vessel, the cook prepares pasta while destiny approaches unseen. Through gray-green depths,
You need to
the
call
diver
lamborghini.
descends toward what should not exist. The bronze bowl emerges from darkness, frozen mid-charge across 7 decades. Suspended in silence, the diver hovers before the encrusted,
Yes,
impossible
Professor.
machine.
The side scan
Breaking the
confirmed the
surface,
target at
the
63
diver raises
meters.
his hand in stunned recognition. On deck dripping and changed he writes words that will outlast him. The archaeologist speaks into radio, knowing history shifts with her words. In the restoration facility, strangers gather around what the sea surrendered. The preservation sheeting lifts, revealing 70 years of ocean memory. The old man in the wheelchair sees what he alone understands. From hostile waves, the cradle rises with its impossible cargo. Inside the scanned engine, secrets of hybrid design emerge from shadows. In winter's cold, a younger man builds what grief demands of him.
That
The restored
highlight suggests
Diablo moves
dense
through
material.
dawnlight toward
See how
its
clear
final
it is
goal.
now.
Her hands
It's
grip the
definitely
wheel
the
that his
target,
hands
Doctor.
shaped for
The
darkness.
coordinates match.
The archivist finds what floods and time attempted to erase. The old man remembers perfection, spoken once, never repeated. The wheel assembly spins, balanced 2 tolerances he never imagined. In the foundry, molten metal flows from ore toward art. His mask clears, and the depths reveal what waited for him. The graduate student searches microfilm, finding what official records omitted. In quiet passing, the last witness completes his 70-year vigil. The tachometer needle moves, translating mechanical memory into motion. Sparks fly as new metal fuses with old, creating continuity. The
Site
bull
survey
waits in
complete. No
darkness,
anomalies. Seafloor
recognizing
normal.
the diver before he recognizes it. The computer displays
63
depth in
meters,
time, measuring a
8
moment beyond
degrees,
measurement. Integachi staba
20
normalcy
minutes
persists
bottom.
against extraordinary intrusion. The lecture hall absorbs discovery, knowledge passing 2 new keys. Tool marks tell stories no document recorded. Hand meeting metal in 19. The empty gallery breathes in darkness. Machine waiting for morning eyes. 63 meters down. Recognition suspends time for 11 eternal seconds. Breaking surface. The diver carries transformation he cannot yet speak. Atomic structure reveals how metal fought the sea's dissolving embrace. In darkness and silence, 2 men commit beauty to the depths. The exhaust system waits, anticipating the voice it was built to shape. A child's wonder asks, why? Receiving truth simplified for new understanding. The seafloor survey confirms complete erasure. Nature indifferent to human meaning. In air office, the director holds what breaks and what endures. Metal remembers in lattice structure. Deformation recording what light never saw. The sea remains, having kept and released what was never truly ours.
Not found. Recognized.
As if it knew I was coming.
It is the same, exactly as he described. The curve, the feel, he said it was perfect. The bull, I saw it rise. Ferruccio would have.
He kept the secret for 70 years, even from me, especially from me. He never told me about the sea I knew something was lost in the war. I did.
There it is. There it is.
The tolerances here are incredible for 1955. 40 millimeters, exactly. Aircraft derived, indeed.
He drove it once. These marks are from that drive. We preserve them in the new parts.
The geometry is from aircraft. See the triangulation? Ferruccio knew that from the war. Strong but light. The original dissolved. We built this from drawings. Same capacity, same baffle design, same material, but new.
The sea preserved it for 69 years. Now we must preserve it from the air. The chloride ions are active.
One heat cycle, maybe two, then 69 years of silence. The porcelain remembers the heat.
The tolerances here are incredible for 1955. 40 millimeters, exactly. Aircraft derived, indeed.
This geometry here, it confirms the aircraft derivation we suspected.
Yes, and the wall thickness is surprisingly consistent given the submersion. The sea kept it, not preserved, kept. There's a difference.
...90 mm, 89.9. Usura minima, incredibile.
The sea kept the structure. The oxide formed early and stopped the corrosion. It's better than we hoped.
The oxide formed early, passivated the surface, chloride ions couldn't penetrate, the sea tried to dissolve it, but the metal fought back.
Core intact. Seals replaced. Pressure test passed. Ready for installation.
So this is the sonar reading they found, and the log confirms the date. What a beautiful car.
Look at the detail on the hood ornament.
It's incredible, especially the patina.
I am a diver. I have been in the water 1,000 times.
Family should come.
I am a diver. I know what the sea keeps and what it gives back. The sea does not give things back. It has no obligation to us. When I saw the light catch that bull, I understood something I hadn't been looking for, which is the only way you ever understand the important things.
Why did he put it in the water?
It was a foundational moment, connecting craftsmanship with the mystery of the sea.
He was in a hurry when he built this. You can feel it. Not sloppy, urgent, like a letter that had to be written before the feeling passed. Drive it. Drive it on the road he drove it on. The road along the coast, once. Not for the cameras, not for the press, for the car.
È incredibile, guarda i dettagli.
Sì, e la macchina è stupenda.
He told me it was perfect. He said it only once. He was not the kind of man who said things twice.
He knew he was going to put it in the water. He knew he was going to put it in the water.
Not everything goes on display. Some things we keep for the story they tell about keeping.
This was in the file marked Personal Correspondence Restricted. No one thought to look. He painted it himself in that workshop. You can see his hand in every stroke. He knew it would go in the water. He made it perfect anyway.
Wow, look at that car.
Shh, it's beautiful.
The wear is from that one drive. We replicate it in the new pedal. Not eliminate it, preserve the story.
Why is it special, Papa?
A man built it with his heart, then gave it to the sea, then people found it.
And brought it back.
Metal remembers, not consciously, but in structure, in deformation, in corrosion.
The engine lost in 1944. The Diablo built in 1955. The same design DNA.
Buonanotte, Toro.
Found it. Found it.
They look for Roman pots. They find a car. I'll make pasta either way.
All right, team, the target is at 63 meters. Currents are stable. Copy that. Regulators checked. Moving to the platform.
The acoustic shadow confirms the depth calculation. Yes, a question from the back?
Is that consistent with the shipwreck data?
It is, in fact, look at this. We didn't restore a car. We restored a sentence that was interrupted. Ferruccio started it, the sea kept it, we finished it.